Hi, I'm Sean. Welcome to another On the Road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Stop! Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. We're out on this Whirlpool electric range. There's a thermal crack in the cooktop, and we're here to replace that. Okay, so in order to start the repair, we're going to have to access the screws that hold the cooktop down. The tools you'll need for this repair is a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. So we're going to go ahead and open the door. And with the door open, there's a number 2 Phillips here and a number 2 Phillips here. All right, so we're going to take out our first screw. All right, we'll get the second screw out. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and remove the cooktop now that we have the screws out. Just go ahead and close the door so we can get in closer. Now with that closed, we can just grasp the cooktop, lift it up, and then once it's up, we can go ahead and pull it out. We want to be careful not to damage or hit any control panel or anything on there, and it'll just slide out. Okay, so we got our new cooktop. When we put it on, we want to be careful not to hit the control panel. And at the back, we're going to have a couple of hinges, one on each side, that kind of all meet up together. And just set it in place and gently set it down just like that. Okay, now that we have the new cooktop in place, in order to fasten it down, we have to access the screws. We'll open up the door, and then we'll be able to put the screws back in that we took out in our initial step. Okay, so we got our first screw. We'll go ahead and put in to hold the cooktop down. Okay, and then we got our final number 2 Phillips screw that will hold the cooktop down. We're going to go ahead and fasten that down. And that will complete your repair of replacing the cooktop. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.